Hello everyone, welcome back. Now that we've talked about how to earn passive income through funding rate arbitrage, let's move on to something more fun. How to actually spend the passive income you make. A lot of people focus on earning, but they forget the final step, turning crypto profits into real-world spending power. 1. People would trade the crypto into fiat currency, but some of you do not want the money back into banking system for some reason. One of the simplest, smoothest ways to do this is by using a crypto debit card. Among the most widely used cards is the Crypto.com Visa card. So let me walk you through how it works, why it's convenient, and how you can use it to spend the passive income generated from your arbitrage strategy. When you earn through arbitrage, your profits usually accumulate on exchanges as USDT or other stablecoins. But you can't walk into a supermarket and pay with USDT. So you need a bridge, something that converts your crypto gains into usable fiat. Traditional methods include withdrawing to a bank, but this can be slow, expensive, and depends heavily on which country you live in. The Crypto.com Visa card offers a much cleaner process. It supports converting the crypto into major currency, including USD, EUR, GBP, SGD, AUD, Japanese yen, and Hong Kong dollar. First of all, you need to download the Crypto.com app and then create a new account. After that, you need to apply your own virtual Visa debit card. There are several debit cards available. I think the basic one is enough for me. After your card being successfully approved, you can see your virtual debit card detail. Next, we have to talk about how to top up the card. To do this, you have to deposit USDC into Crypto.com wallet. It should be, note that Crypto.com only accepts USDC, not USDT. You have to convert to USDC first in exchange. In my case, I prefer to withdraw my earned USDT from exchanges back to Binance first, and then convert to USDC in Binance before deposit into Crypto.com wallet. Once your USDC is all ready, click Home in the app, and then click Deposit and select USC. I prefer to use Sonic.network for on-chain withdrawal from exchange because the gas fee is the lowest. Once your profit reaches your Crypto.com wallet, you can simply top up the virtual Visa card. To do this, click Card, then click Top Up, then select Crypto Wallet. You can see the USDC, and then it will convert the USDC into the default currency of your account. If you live in Asia, your default currency properly is Singapore dollar. If you live in USA, the default one is US dollar. No worry. If you are Singapore dollar, you can still convert into US dollar in the next step, and the balance becomes spendable online immediately. If you want to convert the fiat currency, tap Currency, select the currency, and buy currency. It will quickly convert it. But if you need a physical Visa card that can let you tap on the card terminal, you need to spend a few dollars to get a physical card. They will deliver the physical card to you in about 2 weeks. The card behaves just like any other Visa card. You can tap to pay or even withdraw cash from an ATM if needed. This means you can operate the card in the currency that matches your lifestyle. If you live in the UK, you can top up in GBP. If your income is dollar-based, you may prefer USD. If you travel or stay in Europe, you can comfortably use EUR. The card automatically charges using your chosen currency, so your passive income becomes directly usable for your daily expenses. No complicated conversion steps, no manual withdrawal delays. What makes this method so practical is that you no longer need to withdraw funds into your bank account. This is especially helpful if your bank is strict about crypto transactions, or if you simply want to keep your trading profits separate from your banking system. A crypto debit card lets you spend freely and privately without friction. In summary, A crypto debit card, especially one that supports multiple major currencies, is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to convert your passive arbitrage income into everyday spending. It keeps everything simple, fast, and convenient, allowing you to enjoy the rewards of your trading strategy without unnecessary complexity. And remember, while you can still use peer-to-peer exchanges to convert USDT into fiat directly, using a crypto debit card allows you to spend your earnings instantly without involving banks at all. It's clean, direct, and highly practical. Finally, I really hope this course helps you understand how to turn your arbitrage profits into real-world value. Earning passive income is great, but being able to use that income effortlessly in your daily life is what makes the whole journey truly meaningful.